Worldwide caution. So the US State Department has just issued a worldwide travel alert caution. And with this, we have seen gold slingshot back above 1,975 US dollars per ounce, really claiming that safe haven status. Gold prices over October, they're now up 7% for the month. Oil prices have just broken out back above 88 US dollars per barrel for WTI crude oil. You've got silver surging, it's back above $23 per ounce. Platinum has broken out back above $900 per ounce. So again, with our clients, we're taking the opportunity here to bank on strength. In fact, in the last 30 minutes, we've banked further profits on gold here and also oil. As you know, we've been building out multiple positions on gold all the way back down towards the 1820s, 1830s, 1840s and so forth, as we've been detailing with you over the last couple of weeks. So there was a massive buy opportunity on gold. In fact, with our clients, we've built out 12 positions on gold. Alongside that, we've built into multiple trades here on oil, alongside platinum, of course, and I still like copper and palladium at the current prices. Again, there's been back-to-back opportunities for you to capitalize on the current setups that we've seen over the month of October. And yet again, we are seeing more fear and safe haven inflows into gold as a result of escalating tensions in the Middle East. And we're seeing very clearly that gold is now getting the safe haven bid. So right now we've got gold, it is breaking back above 1,975 US dollars per ounce. Our major plan here is, of course, to continue to scale out of the windfall amount of profit that we are in right now with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. And no doubt, if you're following this channel, you're also in a similar scenario here as well. We're not that far off now from $2,000 per ounce. And of course, if we break above $2,000 per ounce, we have the all-time highs. They reside around 2,080 US dollars per ounce, which at this point would only take just over another $100 move higher here for gold to break out towards the all-time record highs. And yet again, we have seen it. The bigger the sell-off, the bigger the subsequent rally. Just at the start of October, only 2 weeks ago, we had gold breaking down towards 1,810 US dollars per ounce into the Friday's non-farm payroll. So just 2 weeks later, we have gold breaking above $1,975 per ounce, over a 1,650 point move to the upside. It's one of the fastest moves that we've seen on gold in over a year. But of course, before we saw this immense move higher on the precious metals, first of all, we had that tree shape of the hedge funds and money managers. We saw this very clearly within the data. In fact, hedge funds and money managers, they are net selling short into silver, into copper, into gold, into platinum on one of the biggest breakouts that we've seen in over a year. So what does this tell you? It tells you that many traders and investors, they will need to start jumping into the move later to get exposure and buy back at much higher levels to get exposure to gold in their portfolio, because throughout the last couple of weeks, they have not been long gold in order to capitalize on the recent inflows that we've seen in just a matter of a couple of weeks. But of course, if you follow this channel, you're fully aware of the massive buy opportunity that's been provided over the last couple of weeks. So I congratulate you, everybody who's capitalized on this. It's been an immense move just in the last couple of weeks now, not only on gold, but on silver as well. Platinum, we're starting to see that break above $900 per ounce yet again. Also currently have WTI crude oil breaking above $88 per barrel. As you know, we've been buying WTI crude oil down at $83 per barrel, where it was just at the end of last week, and also again at the beginning of this week too. So there's been multiple opportunities to get those positions built out, ready, and anticipating this flight to safety that we're seeing at the moment as a result of the current geopolitical climate. And again, the US State Department, they have just within the last hour here, they've announced a global caution with respect to travel. And with that, gold immediately broke out above 1960, and it's now trading at 1,975 US dollars per ounce. Now, of course, the positioning for this and getting ready for this much larger move that is taking place at the moment, this comes down to utilizing research data, statistics, and market intelligence. Knowing, of course, how gold, oil, silver, how they respond to periods of heightened geopolitical tension like we're seeing at the moment, which of course comes from experience in the market, but alongside that, really understanding the capital inflows, the ratios in the market, key areas of liquidity that are targeted so you don't get that tree shape for your positions just before the slingshot move higher, exactly as we've seen over the last couple of weeks, a move that you absolutely did not want to miss. And then further compound that with how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks and institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.